Cái này mua đi cái này mua cái gì theo tay rồi.
Nó khổ đấy cho này rồi. Ông nó khổ đấy cho hoa này. Mà nó cái cũng nó cũng. Đây thì đâu đi.
Jauh program sih.
Man ko diba dia?
Kalagay.
BLT. Then now those package fund has been, I think it is exhausted now. And one thing is that power of the council lies in the power to make laws. They should be able to make laws, and in the council we made about 14 laws submitted to the government, and it was never ratified. I think till now it is not ratified in BTC. Now we have heard from Islari, and we also have seen it due to this Bodoland area agreement recently signed there under 2.9, I think, or at 2.9, that the administration will be handed over to Deputy Commissioner. Deputy Commissioner means he is the agent of the Chief Minister. I was Deputy Commissioner, so the Deputy Commissioner worked with the instruction of the Chief Minister. We always talk, every day we talk several times with the Chief Minister, because we have to work according to what he says. That means when you hand over the administration to Chief Minister, to Deputy Commissioner, that means you have handed over your power to the state government. BTC is like that. So BTC, it looks like strong, but it is the weakest BTC council, according to what we have understood. And we are facing trouble with that, because they are saying that, see, BTC is very strong and you should follow BTC. But we don't want to follow BTC because we are stronger than BTC, whatever we know. And now we are also very weak because that model has been brought to Karbi Anglong. We are facing problem with that. So far, the strongest council is, I think, Khasi is, even now. We used to visit, they can make laws, they have made several laws, they are implementing it whatsoever. So, the strongest autonomous council is Khasi Hills. Even Garo Hills is unable to do as Khasi Hills is doing. Thank you.
So we have almost and there is already a notification to it, and which was also one of the topic that power transferred to the Deputy Commissioner in my paper, but it has been what we said lately taken back by what we said the council.
Thank you for your patience, and I think